National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Woods County in central Georgia, southern Henry County in north central Georgia, northeastern Lamar County in west central Georgia, Spalding County in west central Georgia, until 6:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Griffin, McDonough, Jackson, Hampton, Locust Grove, Jenkinsburg, Orchard Hill, Sunnyside, East Griffin, Walker Mill, Luella, McKibben, Toowaga, Blacksville, Chapel Mill, Ola, Experiment, Highland Mills, Centreville, and Northville. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.